Houston Ocean Om. Yusa Ol Bomba. Yusa Ol.
Hey, yo, Daddy, Captain.
He was trying to overcome his fear by squashing you. Be less afraid.
And that works for you?
To avoid.
When you learn to quiet your mind, you'll hear them speaking to you.
Come on, I'll show you seatbelt. I can't hear you, Chris! I can't hear you, Chris!
Always two there are. No more, no less. Now I forgot my a master. Oh, that's a good take. Can I cut, George?
You must have Jedi reflexes if you raise paws. Don't do that again.
I don't do it again.
Walking up the ramp, walk into the hallway. I flash back to when I was a kid with the action figures inside. Suddenly I had like a big lump in my throat. This is how it gets you.
Camera set, here we go, stand by.
And
Come on! Fight him, guys! Tongue action! Oh, tongue action!
Yes, yes, move. Yes, yes. I said closer. Moving is close. Yes, yes, moving. Yes, yes. I said closer. Moving as close as you can and engage those Star Destroyers at close. I can't do it anymore.
Hey, it's Gigi Hadid. For more videos like this, click here.
Hi, I'm Cara Delevingne. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking this button right here. Boop.
Thanks for watching.